Can you talk to us a little bit about the importance of STEM education?
Yeah, you know, it's been a tremendous experience that we now have STEM integrated more into our curriculum. I think it's so important for our students that we can actually bring science to life and other aspects of engineering. It's just so important that we can take it from a two-dimensional standpoint, which we teach sometimes from textbook, to more three-dimensionality.
Moisture in the air. Everyone take a deep breath in and blow it out. Okay, now we have humidity all out here. So now we have moisture and dust. And the last thing that we add to make a cloud is way up in the atmosphere. It's really, really cold. So what we have here are two things. We have dry ice, which is negative 128 degrees below zero, and liquid nitrogen, 328 degrees below zero. As you can see, we have our safety measures below.
Technology, innovation, science. Take a look.
So this is when VR was first in its baby form.
Yo, I see the sun. Where? He's up!
See, okay? Okay. Make sure you look up, down, left, right. What?
Oh yeah, I can see.
Okay, I'm gonna have you. Don't get out of your chair. I don't want you to fall.
Okay. Oh, is that wild? That is so wild. So what is this screen I'm looking at now?
So I think this is isn't it the space station?
Yeah, it's the International Space Station.
The International Space Station. You're immersing yourself.
Well, it is so wild because I feel like the depth perception's off. Like there's nothing there.
Yes.
Am I supposed to press a button then or something? Or?
Enjoy that. Get over that board.
This is amazing.
That's the goal, right? It takes immersive learning to a whole other stratosphere. Pun intended. Are you in space or right now?
Yeah, I'm on a space station and I can see the Earth right here.
So you can grab that material right there too. That works. Go ahead and hit the button and see what happens. You can see the line there in the field. But we apply electricity to the conductive material. You can try the ring. There, go ahead and try it. So first one, yeah, what do you think about that?
You can see the sensors. He has sensors on the side, one on the front, one on the other side, he's got one on the back. When he gets too close, he knows it. And the slot. Can you get some?
anymore. Sorry.
Well, One Direction is relevant to me, so it's still good. So it's your favorite boy band, One Direction. It allows you to go one direction, let's go one direction. So turn it again. Oh, hold that right there. Turn it again. Turn the handle. When you turn it that way, only electricity can go this way through that LED. Anyone going this way is going to be stopped. Turn it the other way. And then only it goes this way, and that gets stopped, right? Isn't that crazy?
If you can make it work.
So speaking of the future, how do you feel STEM is going to play in the future of our students?
I think it's critical. I think it really is right now. You know, in education, we have a lot of different competing items here. You know, it's not the traditional relationship with this teacher in the classroom anymore. We have to do a lot more to engage our students and really start to strategically move forward. So I'm excited about any form of STEM education because it really does again bring the educational environment to life.
All right, so you did mention it. Can you explain to those who may not know the difference between STEM and STEAM?
Sure. STEM is, you know, your science, technology, engineering, and math, and all STEAM does is it brings in the arts. And, you know, when you look at education from a elementary standpoint, a lot of times we're engaging through play. You know, students don't even know what we're doing. But I think it's that arts piece, it's that creative thinking, it's that problem solving. A lot of those art skills really tie in, so we find that as a tremendous area. So we've been shifting a little bit from STEAM more to from STEM to the STEAM aspect because we see greater value in that and greater student outcomes.
Awesome. So can you tell us what you feel the importance or the impact of the partnership between COSI and Meta will have on our community?
I'm very excited about it. Meta in general and what they've done to take a leadership role. Our future is now, and you look at everything that's happening in the United States, but specifically in Central Ohio here, I'm very proud of the relationship that we formed with Meta. And now with COSI, that just takes it to another level. So the more we can engage students, the more that we can help them, you know, here and now, but also thinking about their future, helping them chart the future. Looking at some of the items we've already looked at today, to see the robotics come to life and have students have that actual engagement in that, you know, it's tremendous. You know, it's exciting. So I do thank Meta from the bottom of my heart. It's been a tremendous partnership with the schools. And that's the future, really, is this public-private partnership that we need to have. And I think that's for the betterment of all of our students and really a mandate for the United States as we move forward and we continue to lead.